We're all busy. Work, family, life, it all gets in the way. But you know what's important? Taking care of yourself. And the best way to do that is by moving your body. It doesn't have to be crazy, just get that heart rate up. Go for a walk, hit the gym, learn some jiu-jitsu, whatever gets you excited. Trust me, once you start prioritizing your physical health, everything else falls into place. You'll be amazed at how much energy you have, how much better you sleep, and how much clearer you think. It's like a superpower, man. So many people are walking around feeling sluggish and burnt out. They're missing out on the incredible benefits of regular exercise. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good inside and out. Get up, get moving, and unlock your full potential. You won't regret it. Let's talk about the science, baby. Regular exercise is like a magic potion for your body. Cardio, like running or swimming, strengthens your heart and lungs. It's like giving your cardiovascular system a tune-up. Then there's strength training. Lifting weights builds muscle, which not only makes you look ripped, but also boosts your metabolism and strengthens your bones. Stronger bones mean fewer injuries, and a faster metabolism means you burn more calories even when you're just chilling. And don't even get me started on the benefits for chronic diseases. Exercise can help prevent and manage conditions like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even some types of cancer. It's like having a secret weapon against some of life's biggest health challenges. Taking care of your body is the best investment you can make. It's time to level up your health game. We all deal with stress, man. It's part of life. But did you know that exercise is like a chill pill for your brain? When you work out, your body releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. It's like natural Prozac. Exercise can help reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and boost your overall mood. And let's be real, who couldn't use a little more of that in their lives? Think of it this way. Exercise is like hitting the reset button on your brain. It clears your head, helps you focus, and leaves you feeling refreshed and re-energized. Next time you're feeling stressed, skip the doom scrolling and hit the gym instead. Your mind will thank you. Section 4. Finding your tribe in the Iron Jungle. The gym isn't just about lifting weights and sweating, it's about community. It's a place where people from all walks of life come together to pursue a common goal: better health. You'll meet like-minded individuals, share workout tips, and maybe even find your new gym buddy. Having a support system can make a huge difference in your fitness journey. And don't be afraid to ask for help. Most gym goers are happy to share their knowledge and encourage others. We're all in this together, man. The gym can be a place of connection, support, and even a little friendly competition. Who knows, you might even make some lifelong friends along the way. Section 5, the confidence boost of a great workout. Let's talk about confidence, baby. There's nothing like crushing a workout to make you feel like you can conquer the world. As you get stronger and see your body changing, your self-esteem skyrockets. You start to feel more comfortable in your own skin, and that confidence spills over into all areas of your life. You walk taller, you speak with more conviction, and you take on challenges with a newfound sense of self-assurance. It's not about vanity. It's about realizing your full potential and owning it. Exercise empowers you to become the best version of yourself, both physically and mentally. So go out there, push your limits, and watch your confidence soar. Section 6, it's your time to shine. Look, I get it. Starting a new fitness routine can be intimidating. But here's the thing, you don't have to be a fitness expert to reap the benefits of exercise. Start small, find activities you enjoy, and gradually increase the intensity. The most important thing is to just start moving. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a complete beginner, there's always room for improvement. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, push yourself, and unlock the incredible benefits of a healthier, happier you. It's your time to shine.